Alright, so let's get this one first. What is the meaning of nuclear number? Yeah, the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Okay? How much is the neutron in W? 12. You take 23 minus 11. How many valence electron in X? 282, so 2. Okay, easy, right? 10. Yeah, right. Draw the ions for ion Y. So Y, 287 will become 288. So 2, 8, 8. Yeah, yeah. I mean, write or draw. No need, no need, no need. Remember the last one has to be a different color. Don't use a pen, use pencil. Write a standard representative of atom Z. Z is 4018. So Z 4018. Do you get this? Yeah? Yeah. All right. So this is water. Hydrogen atom is just 1. Oxygen atom is 2, 6. Are you done with this? Okay. The kind of bond is covalent. Okay. You know that, right? Got it correct? Yeah. Oh, okay. The formation of the water molecule. So each hydrogen atom shares one pair of electrons with, oh sorry, two hydrogen atoms, each share one atom. So yeah, share one pair of electrons with one oxygen atom. Right. Okay, chapter question 3, this one later because we haven't done this chapter yet. This one is chapter 8. Okay, so later, after next week only we do. Can? Do you all understand how to answer? Can okay. Question 4 is periodic table. Question 5, where's 5? 5 is acid, base, and alkaline. Okay, try 4 and 5. Try 4 and 5. Not that hard, right? The paper. Is it hard? Do you find it's hard? No, okay. So your exam is about like this only, not very hard. Correct. Uh, what are all these groups? Group 17. Okay. Chlorine is 287. Do the elements show similar property? Yes. Where they have same amount of valence electron. And then you must, sometimes your teacher's marking scheme must write 7 valence electron. Okay, so they all have the same valence electron, amount of valence electron. They all have 7 valence electron. Okay, can the boiling point of fluor? Okay, this one is because of the size of the molecule. Fluorine size of the molecule is smaller. Iodine size of the molecule is much bigger. So what forces of attraction are we talking about? Is it covalent bond, ionic bond, or intermolecular? Van der Waals is intermolecular. So this is here and here. Van der Waals is based on size. It's like gravity. The bigger the size, the stronger the bond. So give your reason. The size of iodine molecules are bigger than fluorine molecules. The van der Waals forces of attraction between iodine molecules are stronger than between fluorine molecules. Okay. Do you understand what I'm trying to write? Okay. What kind of musical instruments there? Okay. Ready? Can understand? You understand the answer? Yeah. Okay. Name the reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrogen neutralization. Reaction is neutralization and not titration. Titration is the method. Okay. What is the color change? Okay, so phenolphthalein is pink to colorless. Okay. Chemical reaction for what? It's NaOH. All right, so this one is using the MAVA. Okay. Wait MAVA over MBVB equals to A over B. So it is 1 and then 50, 0.5. Okay, 1, 50, 0.5, correct? 1 over 1. So VA equals to 0.8. What? Oh, 25. Okay, I heard you said 1.5, so I got a bit scared. Okay. All right. 25 centimeter cube. Okay, correct. Okay, understand, Hancock? Do you remember? Okay. Experiment is repeated using sulfuric acid. Okay. Predict the volume of sulfuric acid. So you must understand this part. Sulfuric acid is diprotic. So when sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide react, the ratio will be 1 to 2. So will I need more sulfuric acid or less sulfuric acid? Less sulfuric acid. Okay, so how much sodium hydroxide will I use? Double or more? 50. Okay. Predict the volume of sulfuric acid needed to... No, you read carefully. Experiment is repeated with 1.0 sulfuric acid to replace hydrochloric acid. Predict the volume. So you will need only half. This one you will only need half because it is diprotic. Okay, explain your answer. So sulfuric acid is a diprotic acid. The ratio of sulfuric acid to sodium hydroxide of moles of is 1 to 2. So only half of sulfuric acid needed. Okay. Okay, can? Could do? Do you understand now? Do you understand now? Can I? Okay. This one you're done already, right? Done already, right? This one. Have you, no. This is the rate of reaction one. Okay, can you just do question 5? Question 6. Just do the rate of reaction one. It shouldn't take you that long. Similar question that we did last week. That's it. Okay, this one is rate of reaction. So it's very easy actually. You see here, this one is powder. So powder is not a factor for the first and second. Then this one is granules. So this one will be the slowest lah. Okay, temperature is the same for all three. So temperature is not a factor. But the first and second, what is the factor? Concentration. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so write down the chemical equation for nitric acid and zinc nitrate, and hydrogen gas. What is the volume of the gas released? Okay, at 24 degrees, 24 centimeter cube. Okay, now notice, they are talking about set 1. Why set 1? Because if you see carefully, set 1 and set 2, will the volume of hydrogen gas released be the same or different? Different, Can see or not? Can see how it will be different or not? Because set 1 has a higher concentration. Get it? Okay, so first we find the moles of nitric acid, mv over 1,000. Okay, mv over 1,000, So m is 0.5 times 100. So you get 0.05 mole. Correct? Okay, look at the ratio. What is the ratio of nitric acid to hydrogen? Same double half? Half. Can see or not? Okay. So moles of hydrogen is 0.05 divided by 2, 0.025 mole. And then the volume of hydrogen, 0.025 multiply 24. How much you get? 0.6 decimeter cube. Okay. Huh? No, that's decimeter cube. Here, decimeter cube. Okay. You don't have to. You can convert it to centimeter cube with times 1,000 lah. 600 centimeter cube. Because this unit is decimeter cube. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, if you do this, answer's wrong. Why? No, 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 no. It's not about that. You see, the volume of this will be 600 centimeter cube. But the volume of this and this is same or half. Half. This one will reach 300, this one reach 300. But who is the fastest? The first one. The second is slower and half. The third one is slowest and half. You understand? Okay. So 600 and 300 hydrogen centimeter cube 0. Experiment 1 is fast and more. Experiment 2 is slow and more. Slow and half. Experiment 3 is slowest and half. Can you understand? You understand when you answer what? Rin, you understand what? Okay. Which has the highest? Set 1. Why? It has the highest concentration and larger surface area. Okay? When is your school holiday? Next week? Next week, right? Oh, like that next week also online. Okay? Is it? We can do it in the morning. No, cannot. I have school. Give me. How long is your school holiday? 1 week or 2 weeks? Okay. I think we will do all the replacement then. Okay. This question is empirical formula. This one you can do. Go home and finish it. Okay. A paper like this come up for your exam. You can do or not? Can lah. It's not that hard, right? It's not that hard. Just don't. You just have to read carefully. Okay. Do this one empirical formula. I think you can do. This one is acid base and gas. Acid base and salts. So you can do. Okay. This one. Yeah. Can try. If the okay, why don't you guys just do the structured question? The essay question we will just discuss. We will discuss during online class after I finish teaching that one. Okay? Can? Alright. Okay. So I will see you guys online next week and then 31st also. And maybe we can put in more online classes on the holidays after I see your schedule lah. So might as well have tuition before exam. After exam, no point. Okay? Can? Alright. Alright.